Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best bathroom organizers are probably one of the most essential tools for transforming a cluttered, cramped bathroom into a serene, functional oasis, especially in smaller living spaces where every inch counts. These ingenious solutions are designed to maximize vertical space, declutter countertops, and keep your daily essentials neatly tucked away, making your morning routine smoother and your bathroom a more enjoyable place to be. From sleek shelving units to clever caddies and storage baskets, the right organizer can dramatically improve both the aesthetics and usability of your bathroom, proving that even the smallest rooms can feel spacious and well-appointed with a little strategic planning and the perfect product. Number 5. SPACEKEEPER Slim 3-Tier Rolling Storage Cart. Introducing our slim rolling storage cart, designed to fit perfectly in those narrow spaces. It's ideal for bathrooms, kitchens, laundry rooms, and more. This cart features 3 removable shelves, allowing you to customize its configuration. Use all 3 tiers for maximum storage capacity to suit your needs. Glide it effortlessly on its 360 degrees rotating casters, which lock in place for stability. The lightweight yet sturdy design ensures it won't wobble. Made from waterproof and durable PP plastic, it's perfect for damp environments. The hollow design allows for easy draining and cleaning. Its compact design fits seamlessly into small spaces like dorms or tight corners. Use the side hooks for extra hanging space for towels or brushes. Assembly is a breeze with no tools required. Simply snap the parts together following the clear guide for a quick and secure setup. What we like? This slim rolling cart is perfect for those tight spaces. If you have narrow gaps in your bathroom, kitchen, or laundry room, this cart will slide right in. Its customizable shelves and waterproof design make it ideal for damp environments and easy to clean. What people say? It snaps together. No tools needed. It has wheels that allows you to move it around. It holds so much more than it looks like it would. I was able to fit multiple full-size perfume bottles, body mists, and even larger lotion bottles without it feeling overcrowded. It's incredibly sturdy and well-made. Once assembled, it feels solid and secure, no wobbling or flimsy shelves. I also love that it has wheels, so I can easily move it around when I'm cleaning or rearranging my space. I really love how this slim design allows me to store supplies neatly in my very small bathroom. Perfect fit for a roll of toilet paper and cleaning supplies. Fits perfectly between the toilet and the wall or the sink and wall. It is sturdy enough for these items and lightweight without being flimsy. Very easy to assemble. Number 4. YASONIC Rustproof Adhesive Shower Caddy Set. Tired of cluttered shower spaces? Introducing a revolutionary storage solution designed to simplify your life and keep your essentials organized. Experience unparalleled stability with our advanced adhesive technology. It's lab-proven to hold up to 40 pounds without any sagging, ensuring your item stays securely in place. Crafted from premium 304 stainless steel with advanced coating, this organizer is built to withstand years of steam and moisture without rusting. Say goodbye to frequent replacements. Forget the hassle of drilling. Our organizer installs in just 4 simple steps: clean, peel, stick, and hang. Enjoy a secure hold in minutes, ready to support your items after 24 hours. This isn't just for your shower. Its adaptable design allows you to easily relocate it to your kitchen, bedroom, or any other space needing a touch of organization. Enjoy versatile storage that moves with you. This comprehensive set includes everything you need: multiple large caddies, a soap holder, toothbrush holder, and ample adhesive tapes for a complete bathroom makeover. What we like? Tired of rusty shower caddies? This organizer is made from 304 grade stainless steel and features a 40 pounds weight capacity, ensuring it stays strong and rust-free. If you want a durable, no-fuss shower storage solution that installs in minutes without damaging your walls, this is the one for you. What people say? They can fit lots of things if you put them all up. And they can hold heavy bottles. Perfect. Fits every size bottle of product that I have, including my large liter bottles. Shelves are just as described. Quality is great, not flimsy at all, very sturdy. Stick-on hooks are very strong, holds multiple full-sized filled bottles without any sign of budging or sliding down shower walls. Sleek look and modern design. Practical sizes without being too bulky. Includes 2 hanging clips that are able to fit on shelf desired, making it easy to customize. This shower caddy is a great no-drill solution if you need more storage in your shower without damaging the walls. Installation is quick and easy, and once it's up, it feels very secure. The shelves are rust-proof and sturdy, even in a steamy shower, and they hold a surprising amount, full-size shampoo bottles, conditioners, body wash, and more, without sagging. I also like the open design, which lets water drain easily so nothing gets gross or mildewy. Number 3. SONGMICS 3-tier bamboo over the toilet storage UBTS01WT. Tired of a cluttered bathroom? This over-the-toilet storage unit is the perfect solution to keep your essentials organized and within reach. It features 3 spacious shelves, convenient hooks, and a toilet paper holder, all designed to keep your towels, tissues, and toiletries neatly stored without taking up precious floor space. Customize the storage to perfectly fit your items. The middle shelf adjusts to 3 different heights, and the bottom bar can be positioned to accommodate various toilet sizes. Setting up this organizer is a breeze. With a simplified design, clear instructions, and all necessary parts included, you'll have it assembled in no time. Crafted from sustainable bamboo, it offers exceptional strength and stability. Enjoy a relaxed and stylish bathroom ambience with this durable and eco-friendly addition. The spacious design allows it to fit over most toilets, washing machines, or trash cans, providing flexible storage solutions for any bathroom layout. What we like? Maximize your vertical bathroom space with this over-the-toilet organizer. If you're looking to add storage without taking up precious floor space, this bamboo unit is a stylish and eco-friendly choice. Its adjustable shelves can accommodate various items, making it perfect for small bathrooms or powder rooms. What people say? So sturdy, pretty, and easy to put together. The second one I just bought came with some hanging hooks and a toilet paper hanger. The shelves are slatted. If you have smaller items, cover with a solid piece of cardboard or thick plastic shelf liner so stuff doesn't fall through. Sturdy, easy assemble, white is crisp and clean, paired it with DNC silicone bathroom trays, available on Amazon, on bottom shelf to hold small toiletries securely. Number 2. Delamu 2-tier under sink organizer, 2-pack. Discover a smarter way to organize your home. These versatile organizers fit perfectly under sinks, in cabinets, or pantries, transforming clutter into order. Featuring smooth pull-out drawers and customizable dividers, accessing your essentials has never been easier. Find what you need in an instant. Crafted from high-quality acrylic with sturdy aluminum supports, you can see everything at a glance. No more rummaging for lost items. Need more storage? Simply stack them up to 3 high. It's the ultimate solution for maximizing vertical space in any room. Designed with anti-slip stoppers and durable materials, these organizers stay put and are built for long-lasting use. Assembly is quick and easy. From kitchen spices and canned goods to bathroom toiletries and cosmetics, these organizers handle it all. Bring order to your kitchen, bathroom, and beyond. What we like? For those who need versatile organization under sinks or in cabinets, these stackable organizers are a game changer. If you have a lot of small items like toiletries, cosmetics, or cleaning supplies that need tidying, the pull-out drawers and clear acrylic make everything easily accessible and visible. They're perfect for kitchens and bathrooms alike. What people say? I like the clear shelves and how both shelves slide out. Taller bottles can fit on the bottom if you tilt them in. The material is plastic shelves with metal spacers making for good durability and easy to clean. And I just love that the bottom shelf pulls out for easier access. The shelves feel sturdy, and the movable dividers fit snugly in place, which helps keep everything organized and prevents items from tipping over. I really like how smoothly the drawers pull out and how clean they look under the sink. Number 1. SPACELEAD Slim 3-tier rolling storage cart. Tired of clutter? This slim cart is designed to fit perfectly into narrow spaces, maximizing every inch of your home. Its smart tiered design ensures a spot for items of all sizes, and with swivel casters, organization is effortless. Setting up is a breeze. No tools are needed, and you can assemble it in under 10 minutes. Customize the layout with removable dividers and even convert it to a stationary shelf by removing the wheels. Despite being lightweight for easy portability, each shelf can hold up to 30 pounds. The breathable mesh design prevents water pooling and keeps your items dry, preventing rust. This cart is your answer to storage headaches in any room. Use it in the bathroom, kitchen, laundry room, or even small spaces like RVs. It's perfect for organizing toiletries, spices, cleaning supplies, and more. Its narrow, tall profile is designed for stability when tucked into gaps between furniture or appliances. It's the optimal solution for utilizing awkward nooks and crannies efficiently. What we like. This ultra-slim storage cart is designed to fit into the narrowest of gaps. If you have awkward spaces between appliances or furniture, this cart will slide in perfectly. Its tool-free assembly and breathable mesh design make it a practical and easy-to-use solution for keeping essentials organized and dry. What people say. This is a great product for small bathrooms. It fits perfectly over the toilet and provides extra storage space. The design is sleek and modern. It looks great in my bathroom and doesn't take up too much space. Assembly was easy and straightforward. I had it put together in less than 15 minutes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.